Richie feelings out talk. When New York really say, I'm having kudu and I'm all New York big thing cool.
My blood clot.
New York all big and that's how my life, Kenny. Can I go talk a bag of
Then
goods?
talk.
A bag of goods, much on my phone now work. Go that girl on her phone.
Talk.
Phone scream cracking now work.
Listen, New York yam crutches are what go on? Who you say yam crutches? New York?
New York, she me the class.
What she say, Marvin?
Me a Richie feels that say Marvin a TSC ranking meter or something like that. I don't know what she say. Someone want jump panic and I want to know what she say because Marvin a dead over. But dead out ever in New York a dead over Marvin and Marvin don't need New York.
Me know New York no care much breast you do, much body you do. Me know the dance and the do.
I'll teeth New York though, I'll teeth.
I'll teeth.
Everywhere in the world I'm blood clot body fake. I'm part of New York fake. Me go really now, yeah, chiching or some state. I don't know.
I'm easy because I knock your shoulder to all the gold. Probably
my gold can't drop out in a fast state this. A 32,000 worth of money in my mouth. I can't talk to you, Kenny. You can't go and talk your goods. This can't rock out.
I don't use it either. Yeah, me I say no. Alright, watch another diamond. Blood clot now. New York again. See
New York for go on.
she am mad over Marvin, you know, God. But you
I don't want to talk the truth.
God bust me head.
Talk the
Go watch
part
it.
of Kenny,
Alright, go on.
man.
Alright, go on,
You
Miguel.
know some Marvin at the blood clot sugar pops and it killing her. It kill her. She can Marvin way down a desert at one place in Las Vegas. Or make Marvin dey on all these wheels. And you know win. Go girl a good touches with other money and fame.
She can Marvin down there?
How if you can Marvin no broke where we get money from? You must him can.
She's a broke pocket Marvin. Look, alright, Marvin broke and Marvin still no need you.
Boy, if Marvin want broke, Marvin supposed to broke. Marvin bad for girl mind him. Suck you my girl.
Hold on up. Remember say no diamond. Alright, watch you now. Remember say no diamond. One blood clot time. Remember say Marvin did Fantasia, you know. Marvin takes one time.
King mix up. When we done with this, I don't stack with. So we stay.
King mix up. Me not nothing against you.
Anything where you want right, you're right.
Me not nothing against you.
Come talk. If Marvin want broke, Marvin supposed to broke. You never know say Marvin broke when you have Marvin a fly Marvin all over the whole course. Move your blood clot. Marvin fuck out your holding broke pocket do go girl. You know look good. Greg, you go get real bad. You do 100 breast, 100 body, 100 teeth. You still no old Marvin. Nikisha still come back away. Nikisha, if you want to turn man dig that up to you, sometimes have a ding past someone and dang. So it go. Talk Kenny.
Diamond, if you're sun shark, so.
Worry about everybody knows I'm the ugliest dog in the world. Then can't tell me nothing hurt me, I'm the ugliest dog in the world. I care zero.
Yo, me not tell her like, I did. You know, say all along, me never know, say she bring Marvin go one place. At times, she try time Marvin, you know.
What can he really give me for drink?
A tonic, me give a drink.
And a bitter.
Diamond, listen me I say, give me back me sit me drink it.
Move.
Alright, Diamond, hear me I say no. And she bring Marvin, I text her, she bring Marvin.
Which Texas? Las Vegas. Las Vegas where all the rich people are.
Then Las Vegas now close to Texas. Oh, your man down there?
Me not know.
I tie, she bring Marvin, go down, go tie.
I want this, you don't hold him.
Because Marvin used to things more than she. Because remember say, we go back to Fantasia. Remember say, Marvin, you know. Sure. Did a chat to Fantasia, you know. Fantasia bring him in a mansion, you know. And Marvin still call me and say, Kenny, go check for Hunter, my girl around the so she alright.
Kenny,
go check for Hunter, my girl, she alright. And I say, that's easy, you know.
Me not
so
say no lie.
Marvin, let me tell you, Marvin, I'm a friend. Marvin don't like girl, we are give him luxury. Marvin like a buto. The butter crepe.
Marvin still like get him for a scratch.
Yeah, Marvin like a crepe up Marvin. Marvin like a buster them. You see me I say? A crack heel back girl.
When you don't like you move your blood clot anytime you want to dance, but you're supposed to dance pan time. Move your pussy when I defend the party. I grown with dance pan, zinc fence and tree. Go ahead. You like your body not smooth. I cock your hip and tie, girl. Go ahead. Subestia.
Yo, King mix up.
Cock your name pan time and dance with dance pan time. You defend the party. Move your blood clot and go ahead.
That's my DJ for stage.
The class New York. Go ahead. Cocky your name pantile, girl. Move your blood clot. You walk and go down pantile. Go ahead. We walk and dance for a road. You don't know nothing about the girl.
So then, man.
The class New York.
I ask a question. What she a real dog did I talk about now? She a hero.
I don't know where my hero did talk about. I say my phone now. I don't catch nothing. So I have to come catch piece of feel life and some stay.
True.
I don't know where my hero did talk about. Some argument about some promoter and him Marvin got some show. I don't hear it good. I don't want to comment on
it. Hero and Marvin have them issues still. I understand that.
Busy with Hero and Marvin.
I'm not busy with Hero and Marvin. Them have to start off for them.
Busy with Hero and Marvin.
Hero and my dog. Hero and my dog still. So.
But Hero,
you know say Hero want to fuck New York.
You want New Year, yes. You want to spend it out of New Year.
Of course, I'm not wrong him.
You have to take a spin out. Every time.
The fuck and spend it.
Every time you hear get paralyzed, you know.
You're a blush. You're a top drink. You're a top drink.
After that, so that time.
You're a top drink.
You want to New Year, bro. Because you know.
Yeah, because you remember that style, you know.
But, I don't hear good stuff. Yes, sir. I saw it stay here.
You have some style like in bipolar, you know, like it.
You have madly.
In Twitch. He catch up the ears and, you know, and try to get it right.
Me not tell you like New York, the ball of a Marvin and you go like you're not ball of a Marvin. Move on the blood, because that's so many know the Marvin style. You're desperate.
If she never desperate for Marvin, I'll tell you the truth. She would do a jump on everybody lives. We don't care how much people follow you for your live New York.
That nothing to do with
That nothing to do with we.
The only reason why they follow New York life, Kenny, I told New York eat nice, man. They have to follow him to get to eat. That's some mistake, make that good.
So she not fuck nice though?
No, if you know me not fuck, girl.
Oh, you know she eat nice?
Eh? If I man them attack,
okay.
move your blood clot, you know. The class of freakers with your style, you got light in the rap.
Hey,
the rap people murder in the car. That's all the people must. Hey, the rampant me, you know.
You can't read the side way.
Me read anything. Me fully done, so Jamal me go me read anything.
New York, the homie though. Who said New York? Yo, Easy Dread.
You see, New York, we just speak, and since now we here, really ask him, say, you rate the nigga. If I'm but, he don't rate him, I love him. Move your blood clot, Nikisha, take back your money.
I see him, she that if I'm but popcorn, when blood clot, foot her hype asks her, say, did you fuck Papi? She a if I'm but. Even if I lie, she a tell. And she know she fuck Papi, say no, because you want to build a segment and a strike. Just say no. Everything just say no like a quote.
New York, when know say Marvin is a broke pocket boy, what your problem?
Cocky.
What your problem?
Cocky.
Marvin broke, you still near Marvin cocky go and near me blood clot come under the broke state. I saw me stay dirty New York. Sorry, I name my life with the pad tonight. Move your blood clot New York and go.
Weak.
Go in New York with your big old fake self. You can't tell me nothing hurt me because I know me ugly. But me a shape it back up and it real.
And how young street you walk.
Oh, I saw me stay me go all over. When New York. Love for Marvin.
The sister got there coming history.
I mean not tell you like uno unfair blood clot people. True the people them have a social media and go talk about Nikisha Ding Dong. Enough time and have to close with some time. I saw it go.
Let me buy Nikisha Ding Dong.
But go back to Marvin.
Leave the girl alone. The girl love Marvin.
Hey, one time I want boy named Lekosol. Me say as the boy snap his finger, me run no blood clot, me turn idiot vagabond and everything to him. Nikisha, if I want Marvin for clown, I make him clown, you feel him take him. New York, you not get him and the argument done.
Yeah, man, Europe, clip my finger, girl, off the roll with
Marvin, nobody can tell me say you're a star of blood clot. You know why if butter yes, girl. Fuck, come on, go in.
Marvin, right now, me not tell a lie. If you're not a star, you comment.
You know, I trick New York, pussy hole. Marvin, give you one little face, granny kiss for the live. I trick you, run down Marvin Cam, gonna Vegas, your blood clot, yo. Marvin, sure you was in cocky box your job, but killing like a yellow man.
Alright, watch your thing now there, man. Watch your thing. Marvin like New York, you know. But he love Nikisha.
Marvin don't like no New York. Marvin knows what the fuck out of the girl. Tell me, oh, Marvin.
Then, who know if you tell you not about Marvin?
Remember, say Marvin when broke at the time, I want refreshment at close. Marvin, I want a refreshment. So Marvin see the freeness and take the freeness.
You fight there, say no.
Fight the Kenny.
Boy, look refreshment at Marvin, we never dance. Check it. You blade now. We blade. I blade more. We blade there. We blade there.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, gosh.
Kenny can't smell good. Mr. Kenny, give me one cup of bitter this to kill me if me not talk the truth tonight, my fans. I don't know.
A sulfur.
I don't know, Kenny, you want to kill me tonight.
A sulfur. I eat influence.
You know what this one pink bitter sitting Kenny will give me.
I don't think that damn man.
This beard and powder, you know. Me just
I blade this. Hold on, let me check if I blade this.
Hey boy, don't check me. I say I blade come in. Say Marvin, I'm Marvin.
I'm Marvin this. I'm Marvin a check in.
No, see not check in. Move your blood.
Damn, my friend say if you say a boy like I'm Marvin, see me? See blood clot.
Bumba clad people. Shit. You know so them blackmail. Yo. Dirty junk of them.
Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. Don't I'm start me car driving another car here. Let me start me car and mash it up.
Yeah, I can't. Watch out. What is?
Don't even check in.
Hey boy, go get a good Wi-Fi.
Okay, so my Wi-Fi load. Let me check my Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Let me check my Wi-Fi.
Where your Wi-Fi? My vehicle had touch. I know Marvin a roll round in a circle and can't.
But he can't come. He have to recall. Recall again.
Boy, call me back.
Recall Marvin. You
Call me back, Marvin. Call me back.
You can't pick up for you, so. See my call back. I'm this.
Come, go in there. Yes, touch it. You can understand about the phone.
What your blood clot down if you say that's right.
Check in me, Don. Check in me, Jonathan. The wife, but
Who that? Yo, Marvin. What they go ramp with you for?
what I got touch your phone?
What they go ramp with you for?
They do put in a ramping.
Star. Star, stay in the sky. Come and fall.
Jenna, you know wife, but I is that.
Walk going on.
Me there they done New York with his fast body and fast everything and cool get you and why? Nikisha man. Why?
Oh, Nikisha ding dong. Yo.
If Nikisha want ding dong, Bob. If Nikisha want turn man ding dong for you, she's top horse.
Nikisha man ding dong, but me I say, Nikisha dance man stone, gravel, every tree top. And that we like.
Marvin! Nikisha dance past one and gravel, but New York eat it and tile. Thomas there.
Hey, yo, Marvin, we never go on it since night. Because me here, me never watch.
Where you hear her?
Where you hear her since night?
I look boy, I call up my name and I call up Nicky name and I style the thing G. I'm not style him. But I'm alright, man. No badness going on Kenny. Diamond, where the fun, Diamond? Can't see him come to Jamaica last week, I'm gonna see you.
Go first, but Diamond, you know, so I call the boy,
Kenny, you call me, say you come link me, brother. I'm gonna wait for your call, you call about General.
I wish you could. Diamond live with him big broad monkey face. My youth,
Come Friday night, come perform, but me have to shoot up. I've sat the man and me come up back, so me shot go to airport. That's why, man. Where the time when I come up Friday, man, you can't, let me see you.
The still come up Friday when New York, no one come, but you me not know if you catch me, boy.
Do we have something else to do?
Hard to find place to catch a fight.
Hard to find place to catch a fight. So you me not nobody at New York, now if you go by the Miami side of a douche.
Hey, me just touch on the coach. Coach will kill me.
Me rock the coach. Hey, no! Man, we get serious because New York I go on like saying they do over blood clot. New York not real, no part of New York not real. They might talk about Nicky last week, and if he live, week he live of blood clot times. Week off he live. If he go
Yo, Marvin, I tell a lie still, you know. Mr. Nikisha told week before last. Hey, big face boy.
Hey, big face boy, we are chatting here.
Mr. Nikisha told week before last.
Me didn't even get to see what she has said.
No, what you know?
I swear, you know.
I want to do that on Diamond.
So last week.
Last week they told me Mr. Nikisha took a Magnum Wednesday anniversary. I saw you go. I'm Mr. Nikisha, I'm not tell him why. And Nikisha shut alone, me see a walk. But glad you pick up at Nikisha, God burn me up.
You move your blood clot.
You can't tell me nothing.
Love the girl. When the other man, you love the man. Tell him Nikisha is Marvin the blood clot. For life.
No, but glad you pick up at the woman.
Tell him Nikisha is Marvin the last stage of the song. If it's supposed to.
You stress out the day.
She is stressed. She is stressed. She is stressed. I don't know.
Who knows? My friend said that.
Move your blood clot. Yeah, man. I don't know nothing.
What me I say, Diamond, what me I say? Diamond? What me I say, Diamond? Come in even get to see what she say. What me I say? The one New York. What she go on with? What she
Class the girl to America. Some people that come talk about what they never know. So the girl eat that. New York a idiot, bite a judge, eat it till he cook batty every night. Girl a stomach stay.
Yo, you know, say Marvin. Alright, Mr. Shakira do alive. What's your name, Mr. Shakira? What I know?
No, me don't know him. Me don't know. I mean, I watch him like me just a class.
Mr. Shakira do alive last night. Last night, yeah. Mr. Shakira. But me check in for the live and me just check off back. Me know to how she attack. Me know she a style. Some styling farmer she work on that.
Marvin, I want the argument about some in Kerrigan. Me and myself sitting boy in Kerrigan.
Some to Richie Feelings.
Some no. No, sir, not Richie Feelings. In my word, I will follow me. I talk about say in book a some party and he went carry on. Me ain't hear it good because my phone not working.
Yeah, me had the argument there. Say she come and go to party and me take money from promoter. No, you're like a big waste girl. I want to hear that. You know better than that. But come a party. Me even go to no promoter. Diamond, you know. Diamond, you know we are real star. We never go to promoter for no money. You know we go promoter glad to silly. She even for the party. And when me reach at the party, it come like a my party. She go, yo, listen me man. I thought girl, you know me no want this sir. Cause me you know me tan diamond. You know me just me no like cuss woman. You know me not depend on the woman cussing thing. But what a girl if you know herself.
Because we hear Richie Feelings. Richie Feelings put up one live and I said, go in New York or Marvin, no tears of meat or something like that. So I know what she talks to me. I know why he talks about Richie Feelings. Take up it.
He said something to Richie Feelings.
No, he said something to Richie Feelings. Take up it, but me don't know how.
He said something to Richie Feelings like something, I don't know. And Richie Feelings said, go ahead, Marvin on your crutches.
Or some sal or something like that. So I want to know what she talk about. I want to know a big stinking New York talk about.
She can't stand. Man, them girls she can't stand me.
No, she would do it, Marvin, because you can't say she can't. She would
go on.
So you don't see like Richie Feelings do? So you don't see like Richie Feelings?
I don't see it. I'm not telling you, I don't see no how I go on. How are you? The thing good.
You have to watch Richie Feelings live.
Go on, watch Richie Feelings.
Yeah, man.
You don't watch her. You don't watch this now.
Let me tell you how I go on. Don't mix up on the live business. For me, I watch Richie Feelings live. And you know if that girl ever gets
Marvin, I'm not going to mix up on the live, Marvin.
I'm not disrespect woman. So you know me, if you have a put on her place, you have a put on her place. Yes, if she get bright, what's the point of diamond? If she get bright, Kenil, we go have to just put her in her place. Because she remember saying no. She remember saying no. She remember saying at the end of the day. End of the day, you know, as me said before, I'm going to say again, no girl can buy way out. You know the thing of Kenil. We don't take my out.
I am a blood clot. You know, I'm name stinging.
I know girl can't clone me. You understand me? No girl can't clone me. You understand me? Because she come try. She try use her $1 and $2 look at all of them. Going like she can trick me. Trick your mama. And you gonna trick your mother.
Marvin, watch out now. Marvin, pretty sir. If Fantasia never do it, or she if do it. If Fantasia
you and Diamond know this. For me, I look at you. Want to know me and my wife that together. And my wife could the blood clot buy me out. Because you know she fuck herself. A different thing. She can't come around me. You know the thing about Diamond. So she go buy me out.
You reach all with your wife. What the Fantasia where Rich having good money?
Hey, if Fantasia couldn't do it. If Fantasia couldn't do it, or she
can't buy me out, brother. You know we think scary. Remember we are Carolina. Remember Diamond, Kenny, Diamond, remember we grow sell breadfruit and blood clot hockey and sell CD and them something that them thing that we grow. So we know separation. We know struggle and pick up.
I keep fight backer.
You understand and pick up backer, so we know separation. Nobody can buy
water me carry. Yo, me never want to miss water.
That's how great police come from. That's how great police come from. Everything she has about Jamaican culture, big bumbo class, American culture for buy out people. Go buy out her mother. On tour.
True.
Buy out her big Jamaican culture.
Yeah, no, Jamaican culture this. And whatever, Jamaican culture, this and that. And that's why I'm glad from a Jamaican culture. Because when she call her name, some man suck her pussy, she could call for me name. That's why I'm glad from a Jamaican culture. That's why I'm glad from a Jamaican culture. You understand me? One thing she can say, I beat her in her throat. But she can't say she beat me in her throat. Go suck her mother. My Jamaican culture. You can't run that with me.
Marvin, you can't beat her in her throat too. You can't beat her in her throat too.
So I'm going to do more time.
They can't call on you and say that beat with throat. Book up,
mad, no time.
They call on you and say that beat with throat. Bad man, come on for me car. If you leave them for me car, bumbo class. What that boy, man?
Marvin, let me there for live. Lock it door now.
Me dey live.
Hey, come on, for live.
Yeah. But big man thing, brother, because you know, you don't know, a girl pitney, me not from the girl pitney thing, but big man thing, you know what go mash up a girl, she too hype, she too enough. She just too enough. She just need enough.
Marvin, she too enough. No, I different. Marvin, no.
She too enough. I don't want friend there.
Just too much.
I'm
Yo,
Marvin.
Marvin.
About this nigga, bro. No, the wickedest thing about it. The wickedest thing about it, she like, oh, this nigga broke, Marvin. Broke up, me no must broke for you. After me now go in my pocket, me a clown. You don't look good for spend pan. She go like she look good for man spend pan. I spend pan Nicky.
Yeah, dance pan.
Me spend pan Nicky, cause Nicky look good for spend pan.
You dance pan.
Yeah.
Marvin, I find she live, she a dance pan pole for ears and I make tip. You don't dance and make tip. You have to dig up your foot, broke all foot. Go up and show, go make your money.
Yeah. Blood clot.
She right. She a dance and make tip and I still. Me not say that.
So Marvin, when he went see you, and you know cocky, she never know you did broke. As she looking at you, look she going crazy. Oh Marvin, you know when the girl meet you, girl don't know not go on the car to me look my place the ugly dad.
You know the girl wicked. Look how the girl wicked.
Me and my teacher cocky.
Oh, the girl wicked.
Yes, that's good enough.
I'll get my charger. I'm going to want my phone.
Get it alive, huh?
I'm teach you. Yo, Sean.
Somebody send me a little part. She never know me. So I didn't know that nigga from now. Oh, you never know me and you come down. Anybody when a taboo the night could I tell? As she left come down where me there. Cause me not know her from now, me not see her. And she
no, ain't a taboo. What you mean in the tab? Ain't a taboo.
I'm be a taboo.
I chat too much, ask too much question. Move, man. You ain't
see, I thought the things in there must say if you talk it and
she left come down with me there. And I come and talk to me. And I said she never know me from now. Girl, wicked. Oh, you finna know me and you come down there come and chat up to me and I say she want, if me want to perform with. And she beg me to perform with her, you know. I know the selector youth from New York who come down with it, with her. So the youth come and when she and the youth come with me there and them stand up and you just say, yo, whatever. And she said, come to the VIP. And I say, yo, me not come on a VIP, man. And I say, I'm going to say hi to your sister. That's it. I go up there and I say hi to her sister and I go back down there. Anybody in a taboo can tell her. All night she stand up right. Every minute she come down with me there. She go on like say, she talk about never know this nigga and this nigga.
You know what, Marvin, are you classy too? Because if you go up all night, go boss the granny kiss, the girl who face them as somebody, your blood clot, yo.
No, she...
My damn, you have to understand that are those face card. We have to even move. That are those face card. That tube say a face card. I'm not Marvin. Marvin,
hey, Marvin, I really tube say you get carried on Las Vegas to blood clot. Me see Marvin a flags a wave, so me say, hey, my brother, superstar.
If you have a friend, you show a friend a good time. That bitch need to shut the fuck up. Show his friend a good time.
Which friend? Eh? After I get name of your sugar stick and after I get name of your sugar stick and it's sweet, him all blood.
The girl get mad. The girl get mad because she constantly post my picture. She constantly post my picture. I tell her I'm not post her. She says, why you not posting me? And she constantly asks me, Mr. Margaret, I'm not post no picture with you. I'm not post no picture. When
show the thing.
Marvin, I'll know the girl take about a picture. I'll know the girl take about Las Vegas picture. I'll know the girl. New York, I mean, when you answer me New York, let me get for this out your
blood. I know, but your phone now work, you can't go on live.
Me come back for you.
Alright, then, go on,
me borrow for your phone.
She cook rice and peas and fish, give me.
Nice, yeah. Watch your Marvin a wheel round.
Marvin, iPhone.
Then, she constantly has some post her. Mr. My girl, I'm not post her. So she said, why you not post her? Mr. My girl, at the end of the day, I don't tell her my situation already. I tell her me and my woman go through my problems. At the time, she says she and her boyfriend, man, will live in Florida, whatever, they go through her thing. See? So, it wasn't supposed to be no fucking thing of it involved. We were just...
Yeah.
See? So, I said, I'm not going to post you because I don't want Nikisha to feel disrespectful. Because Nikisha already post you and Nikisha call me and Nikisha said, take down the picture. I mean, take down the picture. Then me ask her to take down the picture. And she's like, no, I'm not going to take down the picture. Why I'm going to take down the picture? Or whatever. Then, So,
I just
you get where everything I come from. So she just mad because me not show her not what she want. She not get what she want from me. You understand me?
She not like a dog. She not like a neither.
She not like a dog. Nikisha not like a neither.
You are not like a dog.
Nikisha not like a neither.
No,
She
she
didn't
out
know the
now.
picture none to her. She didn't.
Me not tell no lie, Marvin. You hot drugs, me brother. If a boy ever tell me something like that, so Miami kill them. He is a top girl.
Hold on, Marvin, that's that. Me say an hero call you. Batman on the live, like when him attack. Something like that, and him kind of jump off. Me don't know.
Yeah, cause I'm a style thing, dog. I'm never style the boy.
Yeah.
The boy constantly the man name a style man every day. I look a fool. But Diamond. I
yo,
about him one
Diamond, you know, say honestly,
Diamond, you know what time it is already, you know. If me never got that phone. I don't know what go on. I don't know the thing go already.
Follow World Dog. I say that's the World Dog. The World Dog a comedian.
Hey, you know, so that's what hero say.
You can't have serious with the hero. Hero a comedian.
Yo, Mario, hero have to pick for you, Marvin, because you know why? We are Western region.
Marvin, you entertain, you can't take hero serious.
That's what hero stay.
That's what hero stay.
There's no hero making talk. That's how it go.
I don't feel more work that he have to talk. So nobody take up that serious and pay that no mind. We are dance, we're in a war business. Because we don't want nobody to say we are jump now, we are come kill away. Because we defenders have heard them have to rise up.
You know, so that's what hero say. Hero is serious for film. The hero will chat this now and then that's what hero stay.
I don't saw hero stay. You can't pay hero no mind.
What different? Me don't want a girl have your style and jump on everybody live and jump up on me.
The girl me drop out, the girl New York, up in nasty New York.
Cause she jump on everybody live in the diamond.
Everybody live.
You know, like that.
Now I tell us I'm so bad lucky for every time she up on live and I talk her things them brother. Me never get to see what I go on. Or hear what I go on.
Yeah.
I guess one of Come me not go up on her page, you know, cause me don't know why she block me. She block me like say me I go up on her page, go look. Me don't need to go up on her page, go look.
Oh, you know she block
You
you.
understand me? And me important to her cause she still have my picture up on her page. You get me? And she still have my picture up on her page.
Let's not, how do you, Marvin, take all different phone and go look. How do you
That Marvin do. Me don't wrong you. Take a different phone and go look if she block you.
What you mean? Me not wrong, Marvin. Marvin have to look.
Yeah.
You have to go in and see a piece of chop in your blood clot, Jack, and if you come off a man life too.
Me alone have chop.
Where chop with me have there?
Marvin have chop too.
When Marvin have a chop. Anything with the palm of my career. Anything.
Remember that kid man said
When me grow come see this.
I'm a career this, I'm a
Marvin,
career.
you know, sir, Mr. Vegas, the kid man chop. You have to eat
Where
yourself.
career the diamond? Where career?
DJ, my career this.
I can't think of the chop for your teeth.
Worry about the teeth. Worry about the teeth, worry about each chop when kid man get across the after.
Stop follow Marvin. I'll play the kid man run down.
I play
the kid man run down.
No, Marvin, serious levels, you know, you have to go for Richie Feelings live, you know, because I hear Richie Feelings that talk while sitting and say, New York, you heard. Ray.
Of course you heard.
Like I said, New York, you heard. And we know say Marvin, you must know. Marvin, you don't know, something like that. Me no want to tell no lie. You have to go up and go look. And that's why I get so irritable.
Marvin, Richie Feelings are this say no. Richie Feelings I make sure know say she heard.
And she Richie Feelings that cause she.
Hold on, Marvin, hold on before you talk. From she jump on World Dog live. I know that she hurt.
He hurt, I can't see it.
I know that she hurt. And just how she have face expression and them stuff there, I can't say, yo, Jano, she hurt. Big man thing. She very hurt. You have to go put back in the Scotch Brite.
What do I with him?
The Jamaica Scotch Brite.
Same days done. If Marvin ain't take a last Scotch Brite, the VP who no sign Marvin. That green when they hold down Marvin. Green of destruction. The green panetta when they hold him down. Soon as he died in a black.
My friends are green of destruction.
Damn, I got
Yeah, I'm mad at it.
Damn,
Marvin, the girl give me some rice and peas. Am I getting it?
Yes.
The girl a calm me down for the plate.
I'm going to give you the food on the plate, Marvin, and my pirate dish down here. I'm going to call for a pirate dish.
The girl cook on fish, I tell you one time. Time me and them do. I tell you one time. You better tell Rasta man.
What about me? My Rasta man, me there with you now, you know. Me's a title, girls. I naturally hear me about.
Say hot.
Diamond don't need you back.
Man, you know what? Don't need me. I don't dance now. I'm in money move.
I see hot Diamond. Diamond to last time.
Diamond guy when Sundays go take our piece.
Yeah, nigga.
Diamond guy when Sundays go take our piece. I feel going.
Ladies free, move your blood. You can't shoot nobody as a drum crew. You come like a dog.
You love me to fix it, boy, but I'm a pay going. But Diamond a star, Diamond don't need to pay going now, eh?
Marvin are free to go in the woman. Diamond have to pay no matter.
No.
How the blood clot is. Yo, dancer. Them people. I'm not
Young is a way to find you. What go on now? A long time I don't see you now.
How would I talk?
Me don't know how him attack, abi?
How would I be?
How would I be?
Don't sit down, you be a chat on drug crew. On Jabby. On Jabby. Yo, I miss Diamond. I feel the God. I miss her to forget, I miss her no more. You know when me touch you with a problem.
Me too, Marvin. Me too a long time, you know, star. I show one place, me not tell no lie. I go come therapist in New York. If you go look somebody in New York, if you go catch for them coach, and some stay. Because you say in America, I know good life, I look up there, show off this.
Diamond, what you know, Diamond? It's Robinson. Naima Robinson. I book you for never show the fort at Rochester, upstate New York. 4th of May. I go tomorrow. Listen to me now.
Marvin, you see, let me
Listen to me, I
say,
said,
if you want me to live good, if you want me to live good, Marvin, don't blood clot, drop it me. Alright.
No, listen to me now, Diamond, what you know? Diamond. Alright, you think I joke me, mate?
You know you're wicked ass stay. Marvin, if you want to friendship laugh.
I asked if you want to come on the show. You want to come on the show, yes or no?
Of course.
Then I'm the money me have it, me no must want to come.
Diamond, you're not making no money. Diamond, you're not making no money. You're not going to make no money. I'm here to pay you. I'm not sure. We sure book already. Sure good already. But that's how I fly in. I'm flying in.
No brother, you should have cameras for money, Diamond.
Me no bother want fly in. Me no bother want fly if you go pay me.
Me give you a thing out of my money. Out of my pay. And me book for the show. But that's how I fly in and give you a thing.
How you put yourself in that cover? What is the bomb book? How you put yourself in that cover? What is the book? It's easy.
Can you not know the liquor?
Avoid me.
Can you not jelly cup, Marvin? Not like cup, watch out.
You want some?
Yeah, I remember cup.
Remember Kenny La Romeo?
Avoid me.
Me say, walk your wife about Kenny La one, but I...
Tell me what go on. There.
Marvin is coming back in that car, me can't bother tell you.
You know they're decent, intelligent, respected people for their life. And you call them butter years from bad getting. Not do me that.
Marvin is run coming back with your blood clot as you hear more butter years. Anyway, but I'm serious though, it's not run gimmicks no, Marvin. You have to go for Richie Feelings like what's when they go on adjust that back here because they get fresh.
I think you have to go for a radio guy because she did it last night.
You know, now Richie Feelings, Missy I say sitting. And what him talking
no,
about?
she did run out for a more for Hero Life too, may I tell you.
I don't know about Hero Life, but I say Richie Feelings I say go on like